Hi, it's Andrew from Rewild Mobility here. I have a routine here which I use and many of my clients have used to help get your body set for lower body workouts, to help prevent knee pain and to banish knee pain from appearing. The purpose of this routine is to fire up the muscles surrounding the knees and supporting the knees to ensure that less strain is put on the joints. The muscles that we're going to be working on are your hip flexors, your glutes, and we're going to be working on loosening up your calves and your ankles just to make sure that everything is moving nice and fluidly and feeling great. Hip mobility is vital for overall lower body and general body health, so we're going to start off with mobilizing your hips with this standing hip opening and closing. We'll do 10 repetitions on each side. What you're going to do is stand, as you see in the video, and balanced on one leg, raise your knee, open out and then lower your leg down to the ground again before returning to the starting position. On this, you'll see that I try not to open my body as well. I try and keep my hips, my pelvis pointing forwards, so it is purely the hip joint that is being mobilized. Squatting. We all squat every day. We squat to get up from the seat, squat to get down on the seat, and in the gym, squatting is also a vital component to any workout routine. So here we're going to warm up the squat. You're going to start off with quarter squats and then build into full depth squats. Notice my feet are not pointing directly forward. They are slightly angled out and my knees are pressed out, tracking my feet. Do not get caught thinking you need to have your feet facing forward. And build the depth down to a comfortable position. From as deep a squat as you can comfortably get into, I want you to rock from one foot to the other. Small movements, you're not going hard here, so it's going to be warming up your ankles, getting a little bit more mobility in them. If you need any assistance with this, hold on to something in front of you, whether it's a rack, a counter, anything like that, so your weight can be held back without worrying about falling over. Now to start getting your glutes warmed up and moving properly. So we're going to start off with fire hydrants. You're going to be on your hands and knees, and I want you to raise one leg out to the side. And do not raise it so far that you tip your pelvis. It's a small movement here, so you're raising it and lowering it, raising it and lowering it for 20 repetitions each side, and you will start to feel a good, comfortable burn in your glutes. Now for some more hip mobility and thoracic openings. You'll see in the video I'm starting off with thoracic lunges. Take a big step forward, do not lower your back knee to the ground. Drive your inner elbow inside the knee, as close to the instep of your foot as you can get it, and open your body out one way and the other direction. Repeat on the other side, and go for a couple of reps each side. Now if you cannot get into this position, you can also do the opening as you see later in this clip, standing up or at a half squat. Now for the good morning. Hands up behind your head. Slight bend in your knees and drive your hips back until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings. Then you want to bring it back up, maintaining a strong back all the way through. That is the vital part, a strong back.